Welcome back to your weekly dose of Aviation Unscripted. This DHLA 330 suffered a bird strike shortly after takeoff. The crew initiated a return to Hong Kong and safely carried out an emergency landing. This passenger caught the glowing Smiley Sphere of Las Vegas at dawn during takeoff from the window seat.
The Las Vegas Strip looks unreal in the morning, doesn't it? Especially from the air. Wow, look at all the properties. Las Vegas. Well, they were saying whatever happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Look at the incredible. Whoa! Oh man, look at that! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It has eyes. It's looking to its right and looking. Well, look at how you are looking at me. Hi! I'm in the sky. Are you coming with me?
This rare clip shows a Caproni Car 3 landing at Bagnoli, a World War I era Italian bomber with 3 engines and a wooden frame, key in early air raids. This Ryanair jet blast at Skiathos airport sends tourists tumbling, a powerful reminder of the force behind departing aircraft on short runways. Watch this stunning parallel departure of Air Europa and Saudia 787s at Madrid barrages. This PA-32 Saratoga suffered a bird strike on approach to Page Field FMY, Fort Myers. Myers, Florida. The windscreen was blown out, forcing an emergency landing. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more. See you next time.